Want to know how to disable email subscription in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website. So once you have opened up agoda.com, you should be seeing your website right here. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your current profile. So once you are seeing your profile, you can just simply select it once, and once you have selected it, here you should be seeing your profile right under point specs. Just simply select it. So if you don't see your profile on the top right side, you need to log in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, here you can just simply scroll down a little bit until you see email subscriptions right here. And now on a newsletter, you can just simply select neighbor, and then your profile should be updated easily. If you don't, you can just simply select update. That should be right around here, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.